Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. I have to talk fast because my husband is on his way home and he cannot see this because this is his surprise birthday cake. I am making a lemon ice cream cake with a toasted marshmallow top. So let's get started. First thing I did was make the lemon layers. Let me show you how I did that. Grease and flour 2 8-inch cake pans. I'm also using parchment, but you don't have to. And I do it in the sink so I don't get spray all over my countertops. I'm starting with a boxed lemon cake mix to which I'm adding the zest of a whole lemon. Then add the rest of the ingredients according to the package instructions. Using an electric mixer, beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. Then evenly divide the batter between the 2 prepared cake pans. Give each pan a gentle tap or 2, and then bake in the oven according to the package directions. Now for the ice cream layer, I've let this ice cream get soft. This is just plain vanilla ice cream. I'm not much of an ice cream person. I mean, in the summer, I'll have some, but I never think to buy it unless I'm making something with it. I have friends who have ice cream every day. Can't live without it. All right, I'm mushing this up, trying to get it to more of a liquid state. It's not quite there yet. It does look good. The recipe will be down in the description as always. I always put my recipes there. But basically, all you need is a boxed lemon cake mix, a fresh lemon, lemon curd, vanilla ice cream, and fluffy marshmallow cream. I think you know what I'm referring to. We'll get to that part later. And a kitchen torch, which, you know, if you buy a kitchen torch, you probably will almost never use it, but on the occasions when you do, it is invaluable and it's fun. Okay, I think this is good. So I'm going to put this, I don't think all of it's going to fit, in the same cake pan that I made the layers in because I want everything to be the same size. Oh yeah, it might all go in. Let's do it. Let's put it all in. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Now we'll just smush it down. All right. What I'm going to do is just drizzle some lemon curd here and there. And then I'm just going to swirl it around with the spatula. Maybe do a little folding. This is not how I planned for this to go, but something came up this afternoon, which kind of threw me off schedule. But you do what you gotta do. Come on. Yes. All right, that's gonna be good. You're not gonna see it from the top, you know, to appreciate the swirl. because it's going to be between 2 layers of cake. But when it hits you in the mouth, it's going to be a nice surprise. All right, so now this goes back in the freezer, and so do the cakes. And I'm going to have to assemble it tomorrow when he goes to work. The birthday boy just left and the coast is clear, so let's assemble this cake. And yes, I am in my pajamas. We'll just add a dollop of the marshmallow cream to the cake plate so our cake is secure. Then we'll add a little more cream so that the ice cream doesn't slip off that first bottom layer. In my haste yesterday to put the ice cream in the pan, I forgot to line it. So getting the ice cream out is going to be a little bit tricky, but we're not going to sweat it. I'm just running a spatula along the outer edge of the ice cream. Then I wet a kitchen towel with hot water, wrung it out, and set it on top for a few seconds. And then the ice cream popped right out. Then I wrapped an acetate cake collar around it, which you can get at any craft store or a bakery store or off the internet. Then I put on the third layer, and the whole thing goes right back in the freezer. All right, we're going to finish this cake. The kitchen is a mess because we just finished dinner. I'm here with my future daughter-in-law, who's camera shy. But she's here with us in spirit. Say hi, Mary.
Hi, Mary.
The cake, when it baked, shrunk. So the ice cream layer, it's still a surprise. The ice cream layer was standing proud, as they say, if this was a piece of architecture. It was proud of the cake, which means it was extending beyond the cake. So when I put the collar on, I used the heat of my hands to kind of mold it to all line up. And I think I did a pretty good job. So now we're going to add our fluffy marshmallow cream, because you know I won't say the name. But you know what it is.
Wow.
We're not going to frost the whole cake because let's not gild the lily, but we're just going to do the top. So I think this is going to be pretty scrumptious. Now, when you cut a cake that has ice cream in it, it's always a good idea to have a glass of warm or hot water and warm up the knife before you slice through. So that's what we're going to do.
That looks really, really good.
Do you want to lick this too?
I mean...
You know you do.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a fun part. You know I love to play with my torch. There we go. Now you got to be patient with the torch, because you don't want to scorch with the torch. You know, it's kind of melting, so it's getting a little drippy.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, see? We'll put the candle there.
Yeah, I was going to say, you put a candle on,
candle
who's
there.
going to know?
Who's going to know?
No one's gonna know.
Nobody. Nobody.
Adds character.
Not paying attention. And you know what? When you make mistakes in the kitchen, if the food tastes good, nobody cares. Nobody. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benjamin. Happy birthday to you.
A toasted marshmallow cake. That's insane.
Yay! I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if it was helpful. Become a subscriber, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.